how to fix Discord DM not working on Android. So let's start the tutorial. First of all, what you have to do is open the browser. Here search for internet speed test. Here tap on continue on the web. Go. This will check the speed of your internet if it's working properly or not. If it's not working properly, then what you can do is go back, and here you can simply turn on the aeroplane mode for 20 seconds and turn it off after 20 seconds, or switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. This will help you solve the problem of your internet speed or connections. Second step, what you have to do is scroll down the notification panel. Tap on this gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down to additional settings. Here again scroll down to developer options. Here you can scroll down, and here you'll find the options of Wi-Fi scan throttling. So enable this option. You can also enable the options of mobile data always active. After this, go back, and here again scroll up to apps, and then tap on manage apps. Here search for Discord app. Here tap on battery. Here you can enable other app permissions. Enable all the permissions. Here you can enable all the permissions. Tap on notification on all the notifications. Here on battery saver, tap on no restrictions. After that, here enable all the connection methods, Wi-Fi, mobile data. After that, what you can do is you can auto start the app. Here tap on OK. If this method doesn't help you, the next step what you can do is go to a Play Store or App Store. Here search for Discord app. Make sure that this app is updated. Update if any updates are available. After doing all these steps, if your problem is not solved, then you can simply go to the Discord app. Here tap and hold for some seconds, and here you will find options of uninstall. So tap on uninstall and reinstall it from the App Store. After that, log into your Discord app. This will help you fix your problem. After following all these steps, you will be able to fix the Discord direct message not sent on Android. So thank you for watching this video. See you guys in the next video.